is Matangi, Ellorukum Vanakkam. Nani Padagi Matangi, and I'm very excited to be here in Ace Photographer Selva's exhibit, where, as you can see, all the beautiful photographs are showcased, and they're all musicians, as am I. And that is my pick, and I think my hair looks really freaky. Alright, I'm very excited to be here. Well, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Selva for shooting me Lavat. And I have worked extensively with him on various other portfolio shoots of mine because I really loved the way he worked. And in fact, when he was shooting this particular photograph and another Indian photograph is the time that I realized that he was really able to capture the essence of a musician, because for the first time someone was shooting me in action. His style was very different because people would invariably ask you to do your thing or just pose, and I'm not particularly good at posing. And he just said, Matangi, sing, and don't worry that there's a camera there. So he just kept on shooting and shooting, and all those photographs that were in action were so comfortable and so natural and so very me and so very action oriented. So it was beautiful, including this photograph where it was in the middle of a sequence of songs that I was actually singing, and I was completely oblivious of the fact that there was a camera. So I think the best photographs have come out of that. In the photograph, I portfolio completely Western style portfolio, completely very traditional classical tambura portfolio. So I've done sarees as well as Western, good combination of everything, and our styling of working. எதனால நான் முதல் தடவை ஒரு ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபரோட நான் வேலை பண்ணும்போது அவங்க கேமரா எடுக்கிறது கண்டுக்காதீங்க, நீங்கள் பாடுங்க, மீதி நான் பார்த்துக்கிறேன் அப்படின்னாரு. ஸோ அதில் வந்து வர ஃபோட்டோகிராஃப்ஸ் ரொம்ப நேச்சுரலாக, ரொம்ப பியூட்டிஃபுல்லாக, நாட் ஒன்லி விஷுவலி. ஐ திங்க் ஒரு ஃபோட்டோகிராஃப் இஸ் வே ஆஃப் கம்யூனிகேஷன். ஸோ அதை வந்து ஆர்டிஸ்டோட ஸ்டைலை வந்து கம்யூனிகேட் பண்ணும். அண்ட் ஐ திங்க் Selva was really able to do that so beautifully. So I'm really happy to be here, and of course this is my photograph, but எனக்கு வந்து நான் இங்கே நிறைய ஃபோட்டோகிராஃப்ஸ் பார்த்துருக்கேன். சில ஃபோட்டோகிராஃப்ஸ் நான் முதல்ல பார்த்துருக்கேன், சில இதெல்லாம் முதல் தடவை பார்க்குறேன். And I love, okay, obviously Rahman sir's photograph, but I absolutely adore Sushila Amma's photographs, and some of the black and whites are mind-blowing. I wish I